The law of attraction works on the principle of like attracts like. The gurus of Loa say that if you are feeling happy, excited, thankful, passionate, joyful, appreciative, etc., then you emit or send out positive energy into the universe. Similarly, if you are feeling bad, gloomy, depressed, angry, revengeful, etc., then you are emitting or sending out negative energy into the universe. Now the universe will respond back to you with the same or more energy. It doesn't decide which one is better for you. It just responds to whatever energy you created and gives you more of the same. You get back what you put out there. Basically, the universe is behaving like how a real human with feelings and ego will behave. For example, if you are appreciating someone with good and nice words, they will also reciprocate with the same or higher goodness. But if you are abusing someone with bad and nasty words, then they will also hit back with the same or higher nastiness. The law of attraction has been directly or indirectly used by many top celebrities to achieve great success. Here are a few popular examples. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah believes that she used this law to receive her first role in a film she had dreamed of being in for so long. She believes all her months of visualization, hoping, and positive thinking were the reason she got that part. She openly credits the law of attraction for the fantastic levels of success that she enjoys today. Her advice to you is to create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life because you become what you believe. Jim Carrey. Jim is a Canadian-American actor, comedian, screenwriter, and producer. He says that he used to visualize directors interested in him and people saying that they liked his work. He would dream of things that he wanted to come his way. Even though he had nothing at that time, he says the feelings made him feel better. He believed it was out there somewhere waiting for him to get it. He claims that he even wrote a check for $10 million and kept it for motivation. And he made that money in the film super hit movie Dumb and Dumber. Arnold Schwarzenegger. From a young age, he visualized himself as being and having what he wanted. He claims that mentally he never had any doubts. Even before he won his first Mr. Universe title, he says he walked around the tournament like he owned it and had already won the title. Next, when he moved to movies, he visualized the same thing as being a famous actor and earning big money. He could feel and taste success and knew it would all happen. Will Smith. Will is a famous American actor and producer. He believes the key truth behind his massive success is the law of attraction. He says that you need to believe in yourself, go for what you believe in, and you will achieve it. He says that he believes that he can create whatever he wants to create if he puts his head on it, study it, and learn the patterns. He admits that it's hard to put into words, but it is real metaphysical, esoteric nonsense. But I feel very strongly that we are who we choose to be. Long ago, much before Loa was invented or discovered, many famous celebrities used the concept of unwavering belief and optimism in their dreams. An example is Walt Disney. Long before Walt made a name for himself in Hollywood, he was a poor struggling artist in Kansas City. But something unique happened there that perhaps had something to do with his big break years later, the discovery of a friendly mouse. Mice would gather in Walt's wastebasket when he worked late at night. He would lift them out and keep them in little cages on his desk. One of the little mice was Walt's special friend. Before he left the hard times of Kansas City behind, Walt carefully carried his little mouse friend into a field and let him go. Later, when his mouse cartoon idea came, he thought back on those tiny Kansas City friends. He first decided to call his mouse Mortimer. But his wife didn't like the name and said it was too sissy. Finally, Walt suggested Mickey. Mrs. Disney liked it, but a movie exhibitor booking cartoons didn't like it. He said, "It's no use, Walt. Nobody has ever heard of Mickey Mouse." But Walt was as optimistic and answered, "They will. And the rest is history." Winston Churchill led Britain to victory in the Second World War through his powerful confidence, speeches, and optimism. When everyone had lost hope due to Hitler's assault, he did not lose hope or courage. Churchill made the V for victory hand gesture to inspire his people with a defining image of defiance during the bloody conflict. It was this inspiring symbol that united the British people during the darkest days of the Second World War. He used to say, "I am an optimist. It does not seem too much use being anything else." And once on his 75th birthday, a photographer said, "I hope, sir, that I will shoot your picture on your 100th birthday." Churchill answered, "I don't see why not, young man. You look reasonably fit and healthy." Similarly, many other famous celebrities like Steve Harvey, Denzel Washington, etc., have used lower to reach their great heights. Give it a try and attract prosperity in your life.